Hi, this is Don Wede with Heartland Funding here on December the 21st, 2019. I'm in Rockton, Illinois, which is close to Rockford, Illinois. Don Wede with Heartland Funding, Inc. Our website is www.heartlandbuyshouses.com. Our phone number is 1-800-255-8250. Pricing out this house in Rockton. Here's the basement. I'm figuring in the basement probably a good roll-off. Furnace is good, water heater is good. Coming up the steps. Coming into the kitchen. I'm going to have to do a whole new kitchen. Living room. Go out here to the front porch. Probably the best thing for this front porch is just to tear it off. It was an add-on and it's in bad shape. Oh. Well, I can't find the light here. But this is a very small bedroom. Actually, it's not really even classified as a bedroom. It could be used as a study. Bathroom. Need a whole new bathroom. Go upstairs to the bedrooms. There's the light switch. There it is. Okay. There's the bedroom. There's another bedroom. Now we'll go outside. Oh, yeah, right here it is. Back porch. Storage building. Old garage. Actually on a double lot. This lot over here goes with it also. We'll go back to the house itself proper. A lot of junk that has to be cleared up, that's for sure. New roof will have to be put on it. There's got to be a new service box in the basement. Believe it or not, it had fuses, Romex running to it, but a fuse box. Water heater was good. Furnace was good, but we'll need a new service. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching our video.